Following cleaning, the walnuts undergo cracking and shelling. This mechanical step separates the nut kernels from their hard shells. Advanced machinery is employed here to minimize kernel damage, preserving the natural oils within the nut. Once separated, the next critical phase is pressing. In this stage, hydraulic or screw presses apply significant pressure to the crushed kernels, forcing the oil out. The principle behind this operation is based on mechanical force, where the physical compression squeezes the oil from the solid material. Some modern systems incorporate temperature control during pressing to produce either cold-pressed or heated-pressed oil. After pressing, the crude walnut oil may require refining depending on its intended use. Refining processes can include filtration, deguming, and deodorization, all aimed at removing impurities and enhancing the clarity, stability. Finally, the refined walnut oil is packaged in suitable containers to protect it from light and air exposure, which could degrade its quality over time. Throughout the entire process,